Hey guys, if you want to see how I created this bum ass look, keep watching, period.
She's so bougie, on nepoty. I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, now they gagging.
Hello guys, I'm back. Welcome back to another video, and we're gonna get straight into it. As you know, already done my eyebrows, my lid's already primed, so we're gonna get straight into eyeshadow today. We'll be using this baby. So we're gonna get into the purple eyeshadow first. I hope everybody's doing good, by the way, but let's get into this video. I'm gonna use the purple and we're gonna go in the inner upper part of my eye, and we're just going to blend that in. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into the other color. We're gonna go into this baby right here, and we're gonna blend it right next to the purple. We ain't going anywhere but next to the purple. Okay guys, so I really apologize for the noise in the background. But we're gonna get into the next shadow, and the next shadow is pink, and we're gonna line it right next to this color. What? Yes, so let's go. And we're going to use the same brush to blend the colors together so that there's no harsh lines. Okay guys, so after the colors are nicely blended together, we're going to use a clean brush and we're just going to blend the bottom. Y'all be careful, we in here. Try you're not scared. Yeah, I might drop down with Okay guys, so now we're gonna go cut the crease. Today I have this new trick that I picked up from Beats by Deb, and she uses Vaseline to clean up before she puts down her concealer. And she got this trick from Louise. Although I'm not using the Louise base, I'm going to try this out today because I've never tried it before, and I'm about to try it. So I'm gonna dip into the Vaseline. Okay guys, so we're gonna try this. I'm super scared, but we're gonna try this. Hopefully it goes well.
Y'all see that?
It's working. It's working.
No.
What the hell? What's in Vaseline? It's literally cutting the crease for me.
And me puffle for this. Well, we'll tie over a piece of pencil.
Okay, so she said after she uses a wipe, and she just rub it over it so that it doesn't stay greasy and wet. So we're just gonna. So you know what to do when you want to get a nice clean cut crease. This shit works. This shit works. This shit works. So next we're gonna go into concealer now, and we're going to recut the crease, just adding in some base for the other shadows. So we're just going to make this dry and then add the rest of the shadows. Okay guys, so we're looking snatched already, but we're gonna have to go into this shimmer shadow and we're going to make a line with it around, but not all the way around. You'll see. Okay, so we're going to use the same brush and we're going to dip into the green, continue with the line and wing it out. And we're going to take it down here. Take a wet wipe and clean it up, or better yet, we can use some Vaseline. Oh my gosh. Woo! Okay guys, so we're gonna get into the last and final shadow for the lid, and of course we're going to make sure we do some under eye makeup today, because we're not leaving the under eye bare at all, none at all. So let's get into this shadow. Okay guys, so I don't really like how this wing is so thick, so we're gonna go back into our Vaseline, because Vaseline is saving the day. Hell is in Vaseline. It is doing what it said it was gonna do. What the hell is in Vaseline?
Grease.
We're gonna start messing up the under eye right about now.
Low battery.
It's looking good. It's looking bad. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into some glitter. Yes, I'm doing it. I don't usually use glitter that much because I'm afraid of glitter. I don't know why, but I'm afraid of glitter. But we're gonna dip into this nice sexy color. It matches this color, so I just think, you know, why not give it a good pop. So I'm gonna go into this, and you see the consistency. I'm going to use a little bit of it, not too much, and I'm just going to top it in the middle here. I'm not using any glitter primer, no glue, nothing to stick it on. It's just sticking to my bare lid. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish this lid off and pop on some lashes. What kind of lashes? You'll see. Yes guys, so I didn't do no regular false eyelashes. I did some bottom lashes. Yes, and they're looking super cute, even if I say so myself. Period. Now I'm going to go and finish up this eye, get it all snatched and looking good, and I'm gonna come back and finish up the rest of my face. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and don't forget to click that like button and subscribe and join the family, because I'm coming with videos back to back to back to back. I ain't playing no games.
Tobacco.
Okay guys, so we're gonna get into this face, period, and I'm loving the way how this look is looking. It's bomb, trust me. And now I'm just going to finish up this canvas and make it look, you know, all snatched, period. So let's get into it. I'm using my black Opal foundation, and just remember, all the products will be listed in my description box, because I haven't been doing that and I'm gonna start doing that. So all the products I use will be listed in the description box. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go into some setting powder. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put on some blush. Okay now guys, so we're gonna dust off this powder. Now I'm just highlighting. Okay guys, so I highlighted my brow bone and I highlighted my face, and now we're coming to the end of the video. Now it's just time for me to put on my lip gloss. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. Thank you very much for watching. You know, Instagram my nature, and I'm out. Peace.